December 6th, 5:33 in the morning. Just got down to the farm, hoping to bag one today. We got 3 days left of this week, today, tomorrow, and Sunday. And then we got, here in 2 weeks, we got the weekend up here in Ohio. Deer gun season. So, we'd like to get at least 2 this season. Be real nice to have a third. Man, that car's loud. So, I'm gonna get out of the truck, get my stuff ready, and head into the woods. Stay tuned, could be an eventful morning. Well, that happened rather quickly. Never even had the chance to get my phone out. But it was just barely daylight. And I spotted a deer down this trail. Couldn't tell what it was. We walked on the other side of that thicket. Down just over that. This is where the ridge comes to an end. Down there. He walked just on the other side of that. Probably stayed about 50 yards away from me the whole time. But he was walking pretty quick. Walked down this hill. And down there, I thought he was going to come up this. There's a path that walks that way. I thought he was going to come up there, but he actually ended up starting to walk away from me. Sorry, this is shaking. He's probably about, I would say, 75, anywhere between 75 and 100 yards away. I could barely see him, and he was walking away from me. I looked through the binos, and I'm pretty sure it's the big one that I was after. But if it's not the big one, then it's the real tall one. But he's down. I gotta calm down a little bit, get myself ready, get down, go check them out. Stay tuned. Alright. You can kind of see see that stand up there? Dropped him on the spot. There he is. That's a big deer. He got a big old body on him. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got a lot of gray in the face. Oh, real tall G2 there. Not very symmetrical. Been rubbing on some stuff. That thing's big G2. Dropped him on the spot. Golly, that thing's big. Big old body. Let's see where the shot is. Nope. I'm hoping I didn't get too much of the back strap there. Looks like it'll be right underneath it. There's no exit wound. Interesting. I don't think I maybe got some of his shoulder on the other side, but well, we won't get the gut in here.